Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video we're going to be looking at creating this waterfall chart in Excel, and as you can see it's a great visual chart to show your key movements and to get back to a final number. So as you can see we've got a jump off point, key movements in between, ups and downs, and finally our final number. So if we jump straight into that, so I'm going sheet 2 and I was actually putting that together. So what we have here is this is the information that is being used on the previous chart that you've seen. So we have our jump off point, we have our movements which come to 780 as a negative, and the way we want to create the chart is we want to have 3 columns, because if we were to use this data that we have at the moment, because we have negative numbers, everything will be skewed, because some of the numbers will be showing below 0, and we don't want to show that on a chart. We want to show everything above the 0 line. So we want to create 3 columns here. So cumulative, reduction, increases. That's what I've made mine. And we want to put in a formula. So we want to say equals if this number is greater than 0, then return that number. If not, then return 0. So we want to show all of our positive numbers in this column here. And now what we want to do is we want to do the same but for our reductions, but we want to show our negative numbers as a positive, because we want everything to be above 0 in order to get the chart to work. So equals if this number is less than 0, then do minus that number. If not, then do 0. So if we drag that down, so because we done minus, we put a minus in front of the B4, the cell, it's picking up minus 1200, so it's a double negative, obviously makes that into a positive. And within cumulative, okay, so what we want to do is we want to start on the next line down. So we want to say equals that plus F3 minus our reduction, and it's doing a cumulative balance. So it's saying it's starting off, it's getting that 5,000, reducing the 1200, giving you the 3800. We want to drag that all the way down, and I'm going to drag it down one more time because I want my final sales number. And now we have the data to put into a chart for us to generate that the waterfall chart. If I go insert, highlight the data, insert, and let's go with that one. There we go. So that's a stack chart. And now what we want to do is we want to neaten this up. So if we just get rid of the title here, let's get rid of this. And what we want to do is you want to maybe change the column width between the bars, just to make them a little bit neater, obviously. So I'm going to use here, let's say 40%. Yeah, that gives it that thickness that we're looking for. Okay, let's close that. Okay, so now let's neaten this up. So with our negatives, with our deductions, I'm going to show them as a red. So let's go on to here, and I'm going to highlight that red. And anything that's shown an increase, let's change that to a green. So let's give that a nice green color. And with all of the lower section stuff, we want to clear that. So if I just click on one of the bars, it highlights all of them. I'm going to go up to format and do no fill. Okay, and then the last bar, obviously we want to see that. So if you double click on that bar, and let's give that a gray color. And I'm also going to double click on the first bar, give that grey as well. And let's make that a little bit bigger. Let's put these in bold. And there we go. That's our waterfall chart, looking nice and neat. So you've got your jump off point, you've got your reductions, you've got your increases, you've got your final number. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and remember to hit subscribe and like. Thank you.